Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. Holding off the table because it was left outside and it's been raining here quite a bit, so I'm just going to hold it off here to the side and cut it open. Not the ideal unboxing, but I guess we'll just go with it. So there will be a paid promotion note somewhere in this corner or that corner. I forgot where it's going to be now, but I reached out to BOLDR about sending over some watches to on loan to review. I'm going to share them with a couple other guys too. We're doing a little watch tour, and also one of these watches I get to keep, so that's why it's marked as a paid promotion. But there should be three watches here. One will be a BOLDR Venture, Jungle Green, and then I'll have a bronze watch, and then I think we'll have a GMT. Alright, so this is the bronze watch. Very cool. It looks to be Odyssey. Had one of these a while ago, so I'll have to look and see if this is a different version. I think the one I had before had I know it had a green leather strap, which is pretty crazy, and then it had a green dial. This looks to be blue or a black dial. Actually, I don't even have my lights on. There we go. Turn on the rest of the studio lights. Yeah, it looks to be a blue dial. So let's set this down over here. There's something else in here. Oh, another watch in here. It's kind of like a spider web, I guess, with these, yeah, watches sitting in here. Okay, this looks to be a quartz watch. Okay, so this is a Quartz GMT watch. So these two will be on the watch tour here. So very nice size. Now I'll put this on wrist in a moment after I get the other watch out. So that will be the BOLDR Venture. So let's set this one down. Save that bubble wrap. Almost there. I wonder if this will have that, the Pelican case. I don't know if they all come with that case now or what, but I guess we'll find out in a minute. Actually, yeah, I didn't release that video yet, so I will have a video. I already recorded it, but it's with so gigantic. No, actually, I did release that. Sorry, my memory is going really bad. The BOLDR Pacific Blue 45 is pretty similar to this size. I'm pretty sure I released that video. Yeah, so this has a similar case to that. So this should be the Jungle Green BOLDR Venture. It's a cool case. I really do like this case. Normally I don't care too much about the cases. A simple cardboard box or a leather travel roll is fine, but this is a cool case. Definitely will secure the watch. Hey, look at that. It's moving already. Maybe the rotor was spinning from transport. Yeah, very cool. I've had a quartz version of this. I had the Wayfarer version of this, and I really do like this case shape and size. It's real small, not really small, but it's compact and lightweight. Definitely a nice field watch. I figured green kind of matched the field watch theme. This is actually called jungle green, so very cool. Very much appreciate them sending this over for us to check out. BOLDR Venture Jungle Green. So let me get these on wrist. Still wearing the Black Bay 58. I need to figure something out. I work from a desk all the time, and I don't want to get desk diving marks on this. So I've been wearing long sleeve shirts, even though it's like 88 degrees out today. But maybe I'll put this on Erica's original type strap, or maybe a rubber. Let me know what you think I should put this on. Okay, let's get each of these on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. I'm looking forward to wearing this for a little while. On wrist, we'll see how this NATO breaks in. So yeah, let's just put these on wrist and we'll close out the video. Oh, I'm doing a Schwarzkopf for, I know Mark from Island Watch does this too, but I want him to wear the Vario on leather to leather on this to break it in. And I've been wearing the Black Bay on this one, so yeah. Maybe I'll get used to it. Yeah, very cool. I don't mind a smaller watch if it's just a time only, which this is. So very small, compact, and easy to read. Nice and lightweight too, obviously, with the titanium case, and it does have titanium hardware, but it's already, if this is hardware with stainless steel, you wouldn't really notice the weight difference on that. It's so small already. Where did oh, here we go. Man, I'm losing it. So this is the Quartz GMT version. Case shape looks very familiar. 3 o'clock crown versus 4 o'clock crown. Now this one here has a Seiko NH35. I don't know what movement this has. I believe it's a Ronda quartz. This NATO strap does feel softer too. Oh, there's a little B right above the slot there for the tang on the buckle. It's pretty neat. I thought it was a scratch at first. So this will wear the same as the other one, but let's get it on wrist. There we go. It's kind of weird seeing a quartz secondhand ticking every second. I'm just so used to automatic watches or mechanical. Yeah, we'll have to see what the lume is like on these. I'm assuming the Arabics are loomed as well. I don't know about the ones in between. Actually, you know what? Let's. I'll just hit it with the UV light and we'll see what we can see. So the large Arabics are loomed, but the 24-hour is not. The same for this one. Looks like the indices are loomed on this. Well, they are on that one as well. They're just different colors, so I noticed it more on the BOLDR Venture. Let's see how this one is too, since we have the UV light. Old light, I5UV EOS. I got this for free with the order of other flashlights. It's not really free, but whatever. Very nice. All right, let's get this one on wrist. I'm sure it'll look a little bit ridiculous compared to these smaller ones, but these are fun watches. I had a lot of fun wearing the one that I had previously, a tour from Random Rob. This feels like, I would have to guess this is FKM rubber. I'll have to look that up. I don't see where it says on here if it's FKM or whatever. Okay, let's get this on wrist. Ooh, I might be down to the last, almost the last hole position on this one. So 6.5 inch wrist. You could just barely pull this one off with the supplied strap here. Oh, I see. There we go. Yeah, I kind of figured it's a big chunky watch in my little small wrist, 6.5 inch wrist, and this thing is huge. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think of these 3 watches, and yeah, I'll have to weigh these. This thing's really light compared to the automatic. So anyway, as always, thank you for the time, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.